Does German word order feel like a jigsaw puzzle where the pieces just don't seem to fit? You know the words, but you don't know where to put them. In English, we usually stick to subject-verb-object. But in German, things like to move around. Don't worry. There is a secret code to unlocking German sentences, and today, we're going to learn the most important rule of all. The absolute golden rule of German sentence structure, the one you must always remember, is this. The verb always goes in the second position. That's right. No matter what else is happening in the sentence, the main verb will always occupy that second slot. Think of it like a strict bouncer at a club. Nothing else can take its place in line. Let's look at how this works with some simple examples. Let's take a simple English sentence. I go to the cinema. In German, we want to say, Ich gehe ins Kino. Following our golden rule. Ich, the subject, takes the first position. Our verb, gehe, meaning go, slides perfectly into the second position. And the rest of the sentence, ins Kino, follows in the third position and beyond. See how the verb gehe is firmly in that second spot. This is the most straightforward application of the rule. But what happens when we want to start a sentence with something else? Let's say we want to emphasize when we are going. We want to start the sentence with morgen, tomorrow. In English, we say, tomorrow I go to the cinema. The subject I stays in front of the verb. But in German, remember the golden rule. The verb must be second. It is locked in place. So, when we put morgen in position 1, look what happens. The subject, ich, gets kicked out. It has to jump over the verb and land in position 3. The sentence becomes, Morgen gehe ich ins Kino. See that? The verb didn't move. The world rotates around the verb. Okay, quiz time. Let's see if you've mastered the golden rule. Here are our words. Wir spielen Fußball und heute. We want to say today we play football, and we are starting the sentence with heute. If heute is in position 1, where does the verb spielen go? And where does the subject wir go? Did you figure it out? The verb spielen rushes to the second position. The subject wir hops over to position 3. The correct sentence is, Heute spielen wir Fußball. If you got that right, you have officially cracked the code. So, there you have it. The mystery is solved. Remember, in German statements, the verb is king. It demands that second throne. As long as you keep the verb in position 2, you can move the other parts around to sound like a real native speaker. If this video helped you put the pieces together, please hit that like button and subscribe for more German grammar hacks. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.